In the vibrant, pixelated world beneath the waves, a cheerful blue ocean shimmers under the sunlight. Wavy seaweeds dance gracefully while Pippo, the bright little submarine, swims joyfully, waving his mechanical arm. The melodic tune fills the water with excitement as Pippo sings about his adventure, diving deep to help ocean creatures in need. With a curious gaze through his window, Pippo envisions a cute red baby octopus named Otto, who is playfully waving at him. As the upbeat jingle plays, Pippo encourages everyone to join him in discovering the wonders of the deep blue sea. His cheerful honk resonates, inviting listeners to explore alongside him. Soon, Pippo swims into a lush forest of vibrant blue seaweed, a magical realm teeming with marine life. However, amid the waving plants, he spots Otto, the little octopus, looking sad and helpless. With a playful yet concerned tone, a narrator draws attention to this colorful scene, emphasizing the plight of the trapped octopus. Otto's squeaky voice rings out, pleading for help as he explains how he got tangled while playing with his toys, his little red arms all wrapped up in the long blue leaves. The adventure takes an interactive turn as Pippo's courage comes into play. Floating nearby are two intriguing objects, a pair of golden pixelated scissors and a heavy gray stone. The narrator invites young viewers to help, posing a question about which tool to choose for freeing Otto. The suspense builds as listeners consider the options, with the shimmering sound of magic enhancing the moment. The golden scissors glimmer brightly, suggesting the right choice lies in creativity and gentle solutions rather than force. As anticipation fills the ocean depths, the scene is set for teamwork and problem-solving, encouraging collaboration. Upbeat chimes play, signaling that now is the time to act. With the ocean as their playground and friendships to nurture, Pippo and the viewers embark on this mission to free Otto, transforming sadness into joy in the heart of the ocean. Their adventure not only brings them closer together, but also highlights the importance of helping friends in need, ensuring that every creature can thrive in their underwater world.